Hi, my name is Lily. I'm the author and the designer of my blog called The Chef Charette. And The Chef Charette is unique because it combines both my passions in architecture and cooking. The Chef Charette came out when there was a realization that there was no universal language for cooking. Felt like I can AutoCAD my recipes if I incorporate my architecture skills. AutoCAD really helps me incorporate this language because it allows me to precisely outline whatever ingredient that I want to use to offset things or scale things bigger or smaller. Also save them as blocks so that I can reuse them over and over again. Okay, when I come up with the recipes, I try to think about how it looks visually. And I was thinking about IKEA and Legos, of how I would work with those set of instructions when I was a kid. I went to study architecture at the USC School of Architecture, and a week after graduating, I moved to Tokyo to try to develop my skills of design, craftsmanship, and mannerisms as well. I had a huge crush on this guy, and I realized his favorite cake, this Mont Blanc cake, was very complicated, and all the recipes that I could find of the Mont Blanc cake were in Japanese or French. So I decided to take a stab at this by trying to diagram my recipes. I have my CAD kitchen, and I love showing this to people and being able to call it my own because I'm able to, use this cow for so many reasons. I can use it as meat, I can use it as steak. I want to publish my own cookbook someday, and I want it to be a diagrammatic cookbook, even for the most beginner